Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys my latest CompTIA certifications. This was for CompTIA CySA Plus. I'll say this was probably the one of the hardest CompTIA certification exams I've taken to date. There was definitely a lot on the exam, six performance-based questions, but definitely doable. So after you pass the CompTIA exam, you have the option to get a paper certificate. They'll mail it to you free of charge. So I just got mine in the mail. So like I did before, I'll open it up and show you guys what's inside. So let's get started. As you can see here, let's rip this apart. So let's see what's inside. You get this little folder right here that says congratulations, and you open it. As you can see here, this is the certificate, CompTIA. Huh. And yeah, so that's pretty much what you get. New certification kit. It's just this. And you also get this little pocket or wallet holder right here. I had a couple of those. So as you can see here, you can put this in your wallet. But yeah, that's pretty much what you get. You know, this little CompTIA kit is free of charge. So after you pass your certification exams, you can receive it. It's not really much. That's it. So yeah. So if you guys have any questions, I have a video of this certification exam after I passed it. I did make a video for it. So if you guys want the link to it, I'll put it in the description below. But yeah, so this was the latest CompTIA exams I've taken, and which I thought was at least not too bad, but it's definitely one of the harder exams I've taken to date. So as I take more exams, I'll make a video, show you guys the tips and tricks and what I did to pass. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. So if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.